Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Fashion Alchemist. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time and your location. You are most welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you are beginner on my YouTube channel, then make sure you subscribe. And if you already subscribed, then don't forget to press the bell icon for more design, for more collection. So how are you guys? I hope all of you doing well and enjoying good condition of your health. Today in this video we will talk about very amazing, very dynamic and elegant collection of leather mini skirts for men new trend. These are very amazing, dynamic and can go with any outfit. This is for those ladies, women and girls who love to wear these leather mini skirts. This is for office wear, for daily work wear. This is for special occasions like wedding wear, get together, as well as for kiddies parties. If you are a going lady, then these options are perfect for you because these options are endless. You can wear these 7 to 8 hours easily because these leather mini skirts are very flexible, comfortable, stylish and elegant. And these leather mini skirts are made from high quality of leather and latex. So friends, I must suggest you to watch the video till the end for more design, for more collection and for more notification. So my dear friends, if you want to buy these very elegant and chic statement of leather mini skirts online, so I will tell you the best website for you can buy these online. Before telling you the website, please subscribe my channel. And if you already subscribed, then don't forget to press the bell icon for more design, for more collection and for more notification. In this way you will never miss my any video and collection of my channel. And guys, there is tons of exciting content waiting for you on my YouTube channel, so be sure to check it out. Follow me for fashion inspiration, styling tips, leather outfit ideas, genuine leather shoes. So friends, the website for where you can buy these very elegant and chic statement of leather mini skirts online. So friends, you can buy these amazon.com, aliexpress.com, alibaba.com, timo.com and many other best websites. You can buy these very easily at any cost, at any brand. So friends, if you're loving these, then please watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends, with your family members, with your relatives and social media also. And like my video. And my dear friends, if you have any doubt, then the comment section is available for you. You can comment freely at any time. You can also ask any question. Let us know in the comment section that how was the video, how was the design and which one is your favorite. Because you can see guys, all of these designs are good and perfect in this my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video, don't forget to press the bell icon, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel, keep supporting, keep watching my videos, keep sharing my videos. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Take care.